Now let's arrange the following fractions in ascending order: 5 over 8, 7 over 12, and 3 over 4. Remember that the first step you have to do is to find the LCM of the denominators. So 8, 12, 4. 2 can go here 4 times, here 6 times, here 2 times. 2 is still a factor, here 2, 3, 1. Then 2 will go 1, 3, 1, and then 3, 1, 1, 1. Making our LCM to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. That's our LCM, 24. Now we multiply each of the fractions by the LCM. So that is, we have 5 over 8 multiplied by 24. You can go straight or just cut it down till you have the lowest possible fractions. And 8 can go in 24. 8 here 1, 8 here 3. Therefore we have 5 times 3 to give us 15. Now let's get to the second fraction. 7 over 12 times 24. Now 12 here 1, 12 here 2. That is 7 times 2, which would give us 14. And then 3 over 4 multiplied by 24. 4 here 2, 4 here, that is 6, leaving us with 3 times 6, which is 18. Now we arrange 15, 14, and 18 from the smallest to the biggest. And the smallest is 14, which is less than 15, which is less than 18. Therefore, these fractions in ascending order will be 7 over 12, followed by 5 over 8, and then 3 over 4. Thank you.